As I heard the truck, I was like, no. Okay. Hi everybody, my name is Morgan Carter and I am Time Out's food and drink editor in New York. And today we are at Ferrara Bakery. And now that we're officially in the holiday season, we are going to talk about their holiday desserts, their treats, and what you can find at the store and online. Let's go check it out.
This little Italy institution has been a well-known place for all manner of desserts. We're talking gelato, cheesecakes, and their famed cannoli. A family-run business through and through, the bakery is currently run by fifth-generation owners, brother and sister team Adeline Lepore-Sessa and Ernest Lepore. When New Yorkers are looking for something sweet for the holidays, they turn to Ferrara's Italian cookie tray. Inside, you'll find some of Ferrara's best sellers, from almond-infused delights to deliciously fudgy cookies. We went in the kitchen with Lepore to learn how the cookies get made, literally. First, we learned how to make the soft Pignoli cookies. For the Sicilian treat, Lepore starts with an almond-based, gluten-free dough. Using massive mixers once owned by his grandfather, the bakers fold in the eggs and the sugar. As for nuts, Lepore only uses pine nuts sourced from the Mediterranean.
How would you put the Pignolis on here? Here you go.
I was gonna say,
You're at home, you're trying to figure this out.
I think he would take. Well,
No, you would do this, right?
Yeah.
No. He's gonna take it like this, gently go like this, and then put it here. Watch. You see, it's not ready for him. He's a master. Can you imagine doing that with chocolate chips too? One. That'll give us 10,000 pence.
Following a secret recipe that co-founder Antonio Ferrara used when he opened the bakery over 130 years ago is the tricolor Italian rainbow cookies.
There's no tricolors in Italy. You ask for a tricolor, they're going to bring you the flag. It's really a macaroon cookie. So, you know, my snobbiness as a Ferrarian, it's an apricot cookie with apricot jelly.
Okay.
Because it uses macaroon paste and almond paste to get the flavor that you're looking for. It's not all almond paste. So inside the apricot there's this funky looking seed. Inside there there's a kernel. The Italians can't waste anything. They make an almond paste. And that in itself has a designation in Italy. They have to use everything. So this is a combination. So you see him? He measured for this pan, so it was perfect, so we didn't waste anything.
Taking 3 days to make, the team starts by baking each layer, carefully measuring out the mixture for uniformity. Once cooled, the cakes are laid out on the tray and coated with a spread of nicely sweetened apricot jam.
See all these little holes?
Yeah.
We're feeding them. That's what I'm saying, it's like foundation.
Yeah.
And it's going to drink it, it's going to get solid. And now the next coat's going to be the beauty coat. He's moving fast. We normally let it set. No air bubbles. Boom. Give it with your hips.
A little bit. That's better.
Okay.
Then we moved on to the fudge cookies, and we even got a chance to try out for the team by swirling on the fudge like a pro.
We have to go now because the chocolate tells us. He came over. Did you see him over your shoulder? So we're going to start here again. So I'm showing you. This is warm. It sits when you cradle it. I come in at an angle, and you're going to push.
How
This
do you
goes in
like
your hand. This goes like this. You see how I put the weight here? And now, hello.
Okay.
Try to hit the center.
Okay.
And just get it. It's done before you know it. Beautiful. You do great. But I was taught by Franco Amati, who was
Your staff going when they're doing this. You're just.
well, I get work, slow down.
Yeah. I feel like I did okay.
I'm definitely going to give you yours with your love.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you very much.